Hey, I'm Fish. I have here's the Insta 360 1X2. I have the USB door placed on now. I got a new Wasabi battery. Don't love it. I'm going to show you right here. Hopefully it concentrates on the camera. I get my finger underneath here and that door pops up. Wasabi, make a better door, please. Well, it does stay on. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm placing it on a microcloth as well as the Insta cover. This is Insta 360 X3 screw-on adhesive lens guards, not meant for the X2. And when you ask Insta, hey, can it be put on? They say no. They give you a protocol answer. And I looked online, no videos to be found about it. These don't cost $20+, probably the same manufacturer, for a couple of dollars. I got it faster than slower. So let's open this bad boy up, unbox it, and see what we get inside. Yeah, the box is a little crumbled, not upset. I got everything here, probably just the way Insta would ship yours to you. I got here, looks like 4 of these Insta adhesives. I got look like a guitar pick, and I got myself the 2 adhesives, screw-ons, the clockwise adjustables, and the 2 plastic Lexan optical gauze. They're not made of optical glass. Now, wouldn't you want optical glass to be on there so it can reflect a lot less than plastic may cause prisms and all? The main purpose of this is to protect the lens, nothing else. But here it is, a piece of plastic. Can you see the plastic and see how it looks? There I am behind it. I think that does a mighty fine job. So now what I'm going to do is look for the instructions. I get a cleaning cloth. I get the instruction guide. Comes in a number of languages, so I can stick on. I can't see it anyway. So I got my reading glasses on. I'm going to get the stickers on. Looks like the logo, and I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to read the instructions and get the steps going. The instructions are not 100% clear. You get 2 sets of double-sided self-adhesives to this, so they go on the back. This goes on where you don't cover the microphone. If you notice the 2, one is different than the other. One's got a notch and the other don't. So please, when putting on to the X2, make sure that notches go on both the front and back. This is for the X3. So what I'm going to have to do now is drill this out or file it out. I want to make sure I don't block that microphone hole. The only way I can go about mine is to peel mine off and now place it on over the best I can without blocking anything. It looks like it is going to be blocking my microphone. I'm going to drop it on. If it blocks it, it blocks it. As I let it fall on, centered the best I can, I'm then going to press down. But I don't want to press down with the lens. I want to press down in the air. And the same thing goes to the opposite side. I'm going to remove, peel off. I got 2 more in case I need. And I'm going to place on and over the best I can, centered. I'm going to lift up. All looks good and leveled. Then I'm going to press on. For some reason, there looks like it's a little bit curved. I'm not going to worry about it. It should hold on. When I place the lens on and over, I'm able to screw it on. You can see it moving a little. I have a problem with mine because I have a little ripple here that's not going to sit properly. What I am going to do is glue mine down personally and then hire it. This is Gorilla Glue. It's like a rubber cement. I don't need much on it. Place it on and over, and I come back the next day or later on as this dries on. If I get stuff on, I can wipe it off, just as long as it don't go on the lens. I have here in the front with the lens guard on, and I have it in the rear without the lens guard on. When I circled around, I thought I saw a line over here or over here. And this is where this may not work. So I am going to scroll around, if I can, via the unit and see what I can do. Let me show you what it looks like right there. You see the line? I don't think that's good. Now, I'm not sure where the line is at. It's in the front somewhere. Well, there is the modification. That's all that matters. Protects the lens. So when the camera goes down on the table or anywhere imaginable. It's always good to put it in a cover and protect the lens no matter what. And on that note, I hope you enjoyed the video. At least it's a modification that I tried. Have a great day.